Alright, so what I have today is a WEN 2000 watt inverter generator. I've been looking at these inverter generators for a little bit of time, but was kind of hesitant to get one because I don't want to pay over $1,000 for one of these units. But I seen this one online for a little over 400 bucks, and it had a lot of the features I liked and was looking for, so I went ahead and got it. So with an inverter generator, you get cleaner power, which is better for your smartphones and laptops and more sensitive electronics. And they're incredibly quiet, unlike a construction generator, which is obnoxiously loud. So when you go camping, you're not going to disturb others with this inverter generator. It's incredibly quiet and portable, so great for camping. Some of the features on this unit: you have your oil access down here, which allows you to access your dipstick and change your oil. You just turn the screw counterclockwise and this door will come off. Some of the other models, you have to remove all these screws to access your oil, which I thought was pretty inconvenient. On top you have your fuel gauge. You see how much fuel is in this unit, which is kind of nice and something I was looking for. And you have your access here to change your spark plug. You just remove this rubber plug. Right here you have your fuel cap, which has a vent, allows you to vent the tank while it's in operation. Up front you have your control panel. You have your choke, and then you turn it to on when it's running and then off. You have your oil light, which shows you when it's low on oil, which should never happen if you check it regularly. You have an overload light in case you overload the system, and then you have an output light. Right here you have an eco mode, which allows you to run the unit at a lower RPM when it's not under load or requiring electricity. And then you have a plug here, these plugs here, to allow you to plug in a pigtail and run this in parallel with another unit like itself for more wattage. Right here you have two outlets of 120 volt alternate current. You have a grounding post that lets you ground the unit, and then you have a USB port, which is something I really wanted, was a USB port. It's nice to have that. And then here you have a 12 volt outlet. I believe it's 12 volts, and then you have a breaker switch right here. One thing I was curious about this, I have a 1200 watt AC unit, portable AC unit. It should power that no problem, but I guess we'll see what it's capable of. I'll post that in a later video, along with a couple other appliances, just to see what it'll power. So this is a WEN 2000 watt inverter generator. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the later video.